Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day you see my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today's video guys, I will show on how to prepare yummy and delicious vegetable stew. Okay, so guys, for our pot we will use turkey and ring, which is a cow intestine. Okay, so I just put all my ingredients, onions, my seasoning, curry, thyme and oregano. Okay, you fit use any seasoning of your choice guys, you fit use any seasoning of your choice. So I just put all my seasoning, then I can stir, then I can cover am make it bring out the own juice, then later I can put water, put water to cover the meat. Okay, so guys, I beg make una not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so I just put the water to cover the meat, so make it take cook. Then I can stir am, then I can cover am make it cook. Guys, this na one of the best. Okay, this stew tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. Okay, so guys, keep on watching.
Come back. Now the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout to me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight workers karashika. Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming.
So guys, this na blended tomatoes, habanero pepper, onions and red bell pepper. Okay, so I just add them, then stir everything together. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, make you not forget to subscribe, make you like, make you comment and make you share. Okay, make una dey share my video. Okay, so guys, this na dry prawns already washed, then I can put my dry prawns, then I can stir everything together guys at this
Sexy ladies, come back. Now the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout to me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight workers karashika. Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming. Naija boy where they blow money, we blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming. Naija boy where they blow money, we blow money. Oh she sugar daddy.
So my people, our stew is almost ready. Okay, so this stew you fit eat rice, yam, plantain, potato. Okay, anything of your choice. If you use eat am, they go well with rice also. Okay, me and my family we go eat am with rice. So guys, tell me for the comment section what you like to eat this vegetable stew with. Okay, so guys, if you don't watch me up to this time, you don't forget to like, comment and share. So guys, I don't taste for salt and seasoning, everything just dey okay. I season the meat very well, so you don't need any seasoning again. Okay, so this na me, I just dey try the test am for now. So guys, that's it, and our stew is ready. Check out this stew, man. This stew tastes so good guys. This stew tastes so yummy. So guys, come with your plate of rice. Okay, so if guys, may una not forget to like, may una comment, may una share. I'll see you again for my next one. Now bye.